Hi, good morning, good people. Welcome back to this channel. I just woke up. Yeah, there's by 6 the sun was out. Like, you could think it was already 8 or 9. Anyway, guys, I woke up. So I promised you last week that I'm going to do the clutter and organizing my closet video, which I didn't do. Instead, I did other things. So this morning I'm going to do that. I'm going to organize my closet and declutter the clothes that I don't use at all, and show you how my room looks like, and show you not exactly my room. My room is so disorganized. I have not arranged it yet, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to arrange my closet, and maybe show you how my room looks like once I'm done. So let's do this together. I hope you can see how my closet looks like. Everything is everywhere. Clothes are not stuck. You can't know what is what and what is what. So I'm going to put them down. I'm not going to put them on top of the bed. I'm going to put them down and then just get them. I've put my clothes down because my floor is clean. So I want to arrange when I'm seated here and I put them somewhere. So let's do that. First, I'm folding the dresses. I have so many dresses, like so many dresses. Currently, I love wearing dresses because of my tummy, my stomach. As you know, I did an operation, so wearing trousers sometimes is becoming tricky, and I'm feeling pain down there where I had the cut. And I don't know what's happening, because that one is so painful. Like, it's so painful. I think I need to go back to my vein and be checked on that way. Yeah, so let's go back to the clothes. Guys, I'm confused here. I'm folding my clothes, but most of the clothes that are folded, I'm folding in the category of the clothes I wear, and the clothes that I truly don't wear, and I have them down here, and the clothes that I normally wear so much. So I have so many clothes that I don't wear, they're down here, and I have so many clothes that need a hanger. So I don't know how I'm going to put these clothes, but I'm going to put them aside for all of you to see that I put those clothes aside. So I'm showing you how I arrange my closet. So these clothes which are slippery like this, they can't be folded, because once you fold a cloth like this, it's going to fall down. So these, I'm going to put them in the hanger. So let's So that's how I've put them. You see all colorful clothes I have. So all these I've put here, they are long clothes, like long sweaters, not sweaters, but tops, chiffons, blouses that I normally don't wear so much. Everything that is long, I've put in this hanger. So I'm going to hang it. I don't have so many hangers, but I'm thinking of buying. But first I'm focusing on the sitting area in the kitchen, and then I'll come back to the bedroom area. So let me put my clothes. Yeah. Then on this hanger, I put all my scarves in here. Then the scarves, I have this one here, and I have like 4 more in the laundry basket. I normally wear scarves a lot because of cold, and then on my chest. For these, you see, this katami here, you need to use a scarf to hide it. Anyway, guys, I'm done with my scarf, so I put them in. Next, I'm going to, oh no, you see now what I was saying, my hanger for my tops, the slippery tops, it's already broken, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I think I need to buy hangers when I come for more. That's what to do. So let me go to the braziers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have like 5 more down here. Let me see how I'm going to sort them out. 6 of them. Yeah, so all these are the braziers that I have. I don't wear them a lot, and as I've said, I've only like 2 or 3 that are fitting me right now. Yeah, so I need to go and get more braziers. Let me put them back. Okay, on these I have skirts, not skirts but dresses. I have to put my dresses like the ones I've shown you, like these ones. The ones that slide and that they can't be folded, they're the ones that I put on a hanger. So guys, I want to show you the rest of the things since I don't have the hangers and I have a lot. So I'm going to put the clothes down here on this drawer table. I folded a few of them. I'm going to show you. So I have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hangers. I think I need to buy more new hangers when I'll be from work today. Yeah, so let me show you the clothes are folded. So I have clothes that are foldable here, and the clothes that I've left down here, those are tops and a few skirts. Yeah, I'm going to show you. So let me show you what I folded, what I've managed to. So these are the clothes that are folded. They're on top of the bed. That's how they are. I have so much on top of the bed, and I have some down here. So let me take you through what I folded. These are the clothes. These are jumpsuits and trousers that I use, and my shower, not my shower but my swimming cap. So these are what was cleaned yesterday. So here I have tops. These are smaller tops, that some are boob top, later top, vest and everything. That's what I've put here. These are dresses that can be folded. Some I wear them, some I don't wear. Like this one here, I bought it when I was like 4 months pregnant. I've never worn it, but I'm thinking of wearing it this weekend. Yeah, so these are the tops that I have. This is kitenge. I have another kitenge down here. All these vitenges that was done for by my mom. My mom is a designer, so she makes very, very nice vitenges. Those are the dresses that they can be folded, that I've put them down there. These are the t-shirts that I stay with at home. I can even wear them at work, but mostly I stay with t-shirts at home. Just a few, like 3 or 4 here that I wear. So this is the part of the t-shirts. This is the pants or jeans trousers that I wear almost like now and then. Like I wear them on a daily basis, like not every day because of work, but I wear them on Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays because these are the only ones that are fitting. And I have like from here 1, 2, 3. These are shorts. Currently I'm a lover of shorts, so I wear shorts. That is what is there. Okay, on here I have those sweater tops. These 2 are sweater tops. I think I have more down here. I've not folded, but I have 2 sweater tops. I've put them there. Those ones are tops that I truly don't wear a lot. I wore them when I was a little bit pregnant. I don't know if I wear them, they will fit me. So I'm not yet sure. I'm not sure. But I've put them aside because I was trying to fold those are the ones that slide, apart from this one on top, the yellow kind of thing. I don't know what we call them. Remind me the name. Yeah. So the rest that are down, they're the ones that they're slimish. They fall when you put them together. These are the clothes that I truly don't wear at all. So I'm putting them there, like the dress. That's a dress down there. This is a skirt, a maxi skirt that I don't wear like at all. And then these are the tights. We call them tights, yeah. These are the tights that I wear with my t-shirts or my short dresses. Not dresses, like top dresses, long dresses, but not too long. I think top dresses. Yeah, these are the skin tight. I have more like this, but those ones I put them in the drawer where I put my innerwears. That's where I put these ones because of falling and being disorganized. Then those are the tops that I wear. I don't wear them often, but I wear them once in a while. I've put them there. Some are official, some are not official. Like the down one is a jean one, some like these ones. Some I wear when I wear jeans. I put them when I'm wearing the jeans, but those are there. Yeah. And then this one, I'm looking for it. Now you see the rest here down. I have like all these are blouses. And these are jacket, that a skirt. Yeah, all these mess here down. It's a lot. Like it's a lot. If I show you like this, it's a lot. So I want to organize these and see where to fix them, and then I'll come back to you as we arrange. So first I'll start with my trousers. That. And then next I'll go to the dresses. And then next I'll go to the dresses that I normally wear. And then now I'm going to the tops. And then next I'll put the slimish tops. Then I'll put the t-shirts. These are the t-shirts, as I said. I'll put the t-shirts. And then I'll put the t-shirts that I wear like frequently with trousers or skirts. And then I'm going to put my skirt on top of the dresses that I wear frequently. That's why I'm going to put them because they're not mini. Then these tops that I said I don't wear, the clothes that I don't wear, I'm going to put them in the bag up there. This like I totally don't wear these. That's why I'm going to put them up there. Yep. So these are my sweater tops. I'm going to put them somewhere aside for the space left. And then guys, I've said these I don't put them in the clothes because they're tight. And I love putting them where I put my innerwears, my bakers, the rest of the clothes. And all those goes in these smaller drawers there. So let me put them last. So yeah. So I'm going to put these away. So I'm going to put these ones first. So guys, I'm done folding clothes and putting them away. So let me put so that's how I've sorted them. The trousers here, all the trousers here, all the tops that I wear, all my dresses, I've put them there. I've put the ones that I don't wear, like the dresses, the deras and everything that I don't wear, I put them down. Whatever I wear, I put them up, and then I put my skirts up. These are the slimish tops. I've just put them aside because they're not a lot. These are my t-shirts. These are the small t-shirts that I wear. I can wear them with jeans, with skirts and everything. And these are my sweater tops. Yeah. So that's how my closet looks like. And on top, that's how I have the blazer part, the jacket part, the long tops that I wear mostly. These are the long tops. And then this is the blazer part. And then those are the slimish dresses that I don't wear. I wear, but they can't be folded. And then my jackets. Okay, my jacket, when I've put that jacket there, I have like 2 jackets there. I've put my scarf. So the hanger that had scarf is what I've put my jacket. Yeah, so that's how my drawer looks like. Yeah, and down there, they're shoes, which I need to sort them out and sort the shoes out, and then know what to add and what not to add. So that's how my room looks like. It's disorganized state. I've not yet arranged. I've put these jackets there. I'm coming to remove them because I need to rush to work before it's late. And then the towel, the baby clothes there, they're going to be okay. The clothes that you see here, they're dirty. They're going to be removed. Yeah, and be organized. That is the okay. We have to organize. Like I truly need to find time and organize this mess out. But the good thing is my closet is organized. My bed is well spread. All these other clothes are to be removed. That is a bed sheet needs to be put away. My towel also needs to be put away. Jay's whatever clothes need to be put away. All these clothes need to be put away. And then my son's closet is arranged. They're very well arranged. Super arranged, not like mine. Mine look like some garbage somewhere. So well arranged. All of them arranged. Oh, let me show you the final one. Arranged. Okay, these bits are because they're small, and these are the clothes that he has not started wearing them because they're big to him. So, but on this other part is where we put the liners, the socks, the bibs. This side, that's how you see them together. But this other part, these are the clothes that he has not started wearing them yet. And also on the lower one, these are the heavy rompers that he used to wear when it was cold, but now it's hot. We don't put him heavy rompers. I've not opened the whole drawer. He has clothes still that he has not yet worn, and his swimming costumes down there. Guys, I'm done preparing. I've worn this top. Something funny enough, I've not worn this top for the last, I think 10 months, but today I'm so excited. It's fitting me, showing that my tummy is going and my boobies are going back to normal. Anyway, let me step on it. Let me show you how I've dressed it. I need to hurry up because I'm truly late for work. I'm done and off to work. So guys, let's catch up in a few. Bye bye.